These crowd-pleasing Indian-spiced salmon cakes with yogurt, mint, and mango chutneys can be served as small plates, appetizers, or even past hors d'oeuvres. The aromatic spice blend in this recipe is a perfect companion for the salmon's rich flavor. The delicate sweetness of the AquaBounty salmon that we're using complements the creamy yogurt and bright chutney flavors. Let me show you how to get started. Heat a sauté pan over medium heat. Add the oil and mustard, the curry leaves, and cumin seeds. Cook until the spices start to sizzle and pop. Add the onions and cook until translucent and lightly browned. Add the garlic, ginger, and jalapenos and cook until aromatic. Season with salt and pepper, remove from the heat, and let come to room temperature. Here I have AquaBounty salmon that I have minced in a food processor. Mix the mayonnaise with the spice mixture, some lemon zest, cilantro, mint, salt, and pepper. Gently fold this mixture into the minced salmon along with a 1/4 cup of the breadcrumbs. Sprinkle a sheet pan with breadcrumbs. Pat the mixture into 1½ ounce cakes. Place the cakes on top of the breadcrumbs and more breadcrumbs on top of the cakes. Cover them with plastic wrap and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Heat oil in a non-stick pan. Add the salmon cakes and cook over moderately high heat, turning once until well browned and cooked in the center. This should take about 5 minutes. I'm serving Indian salmon cakes garnished with micro cilantro and with cilantro mint chutney, mango chutney, and yogurt. Enjoy!